Okay, so we're going to test a bit of kit out today. We've got the tyre today with me, and it's down here, as you can see. We're pulling that today. We're going to try a Poncho today. Sounds really stupid. There's the backpack. It's connected at the back there. And basically, it's to keep it dry. So it's not just about keeping me dry, it's about keeping the kit dry, because obviously I've got a backpack as well. Because what you find in a lot of these situations is if you're out on the hills, your backpack, even though you've got everything in there, naturally wrapped up in bags and everything else, and your kit remains dry, but your backpack's soaked. Now, doing the Land's End, John O Groats to Land's End challenge, I'm going to come across rain a lot, and I need a way of keeping my backpack dry as well, because when you're in the tent at night, I'm going to have my backpack with me. Yes, the kit's dry inside, but the backpack's going to be soaking wet. I need to try and find a way of it keeping dry, but also with a poncho, you get a lot more air moving around, because I'm going to be moving a lot. It's going to be hot, and if I got to, say, for example, waterproof bottoms and waterproof top on, I'm going to sweat a hell of a lot, which means even though I keep dry from the rain, I'm going to be soaking wet on the body. So I'm trying a bit of kit out today, see how this goes. This will be a bit of fun. But yeah, let's see how we get on. And at the end of this, I'll do another video to explain how I did get on. It shouldn't be too long. I'm going to run it for a couple of miles just to see how we get on. Quick update from the previous video. The poncho works really well. Keeps the kit really dry. Keeps me, pretty dry as well. I'll be honest with you. It's got lots and lots of air vents, so really good. So yeah, basically, day out today. You can see the old tyre there behind me. Yeah, it's a good old thing, isn't it? But yeah, been really good today, and we'll go out tomorrow, do some videoing of tyre walk tomorrow just to see how it all works as well. But great piece of kit is the old poncho.